Hi, my name is Daria, and today we're going to talk about the grammatical genders in Russian. Every noun in Russian has a grammatical gender, and we have three: feminine, masculine, and neutral. Feminine nouns usually end with a or я. Семья, книга, сестра, жена. Or they are words which denote female persons or female animals. Тигрица, мать. Masculine nouns are usually words which end with a consonant. Рюкзак, computer, dollar. Or they are words which denote female persons or animals. Юноша, мужчина, дедушка. Or end with «е» краткий. Музей. Neutral nouns usually end with «е», «о» or «мя». Время, окно, море, счастье. The words ending in the soft sign can be both masculine and feminine. For example, мать, мышь, дождь, гусь. So here you will have to learn the grammatical gender of the word. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. Ну а на сегодня все. That's all for today. Увидимся в следующих роликах. See you in the next videos. Всем пока!